In today's video, I'll show you how to fix forms not sending in Webflow. If your form submissions aren't reaching your inbox, here's how to fix it. First, check your form settings. Open your site in the Webflow editor. Select the form block and go to Settings. Under the Send to section, click Email Notifications and make sure the reply to email is correct. Click Apply to save your changes, then republish your site. Second, test with a different email. If the form still doesn't send, try using another email address, like a personal Gmail, to see if the issue is tied to your original email. These steps usually solve most form sending problems. And that's it. That's how you fix forms not sending in Webflow.